am Gracie Rosalina and I'm going to continue the discussion. So, when writing objectives or intended learning outcomes, it's best to focus on developing higher thinking skills or HATS and less on lower level thinking skills or LATs for learners. So, as you move up the categories, thinking skills progress from low to high. So when we talk about writing, learning outcomes, importante nga mag-focus kita sa higher order thinking skills or HATS kesa sa lower order thinking skills for students. So as we go up to the ladder, thinking skills progress from basic understanding to more advanced skill or levels. So the categories to remember are for higher order thinking skills are the apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. So ibig sabihin dara nga dapat kita nga mag-aim nga lagpasan na simpleng pag-memorize at pauman-uman ng information. Instead, dapat natin nga i-encourage yung mga students to think critically, solve problem, analyze information, evaluate different perspectives, and create new ideas. So this approach helps students to develop their cognitive abilities and prepares them for more complex challenges in the future. So intended learning outcomes or ILO should be written in a smart way. These are goals that are written in a smart way, meaning they are specific, measurable, time-bound, achievable, and relevant. So they help students know what they should achieve by the end of the course or the program. So the number 2 is the subject matter or content. So subject matter refers to the content or information that students will learn in a particular subject or lesson. So it includes facts, concepts, procedures, and metacognition, which are all part of the knowledge that will be taught by the teacher. So the third one is the procedures or methods and strategies. So procedures or methods and strategies refers to how a teacher brings the intended learning outcomes and subject matter to life in the classroom. It involves the practical steps and approaches used by the teacher to facilitate learning and engage students in the learning process.